Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another new video. So as you've read by the title, I'll be doing a no makeup look today. So this is gonna be one of my favorite videos and it's gonna be really fun while doing it. I'm gonna keep it really simple and really subtle for this makeup look because as it is a no makeup look, so it's gonna be a really subtle and simple look. So I've already applied the cream on my face and I'll be applying the foundation and concealer next. As you've seen the process already in my previous video, I'll do it off camera and I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm back with the foundation and concealer done. Recently I've started using fixing powder for my under eye area, which is this. So this I recently ordered from My Glam, which is an European brand. This has both a fixing and shimmer powder in it. As you can see, it's a double-decker box. So I usually take a small amount of it on my hand, only so much, and I just apply it under my eye area with my finger. I don't use brush because it kind of pricks you in this area, so I don't use brush. I just do it with my finger and I apply it as much as I have to. Like it should have the smooth texture under the eye. It kind of fixes the concealer under your eye so that it doesn't wear out with time. So it's kind of like a smoothening plus fixing powder for your under eye area. So yeah, this is how it looks after the fixing powder. Now moving on to the blush, I'll apply it off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back after the blush. Now we'll go with the mascara. I had already showed you before. As I said, this is gonna be a really simple and subtle look. So yeah, I'm done with my mascara and now I will move on to the lipstick. So I am gonna use this is the L'Oreal matte cream lipstick, which is in the shade Barely Nude. You can use any color lipstick you want to, but I prefer using a nude color because it is a subtle no makeup look. I have another shade of lipstick which is this. It is also a nude, a pinkish nude color. So I'll apply this also and I'll show you.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is the other shade which I just showed you, which is this one. It is in the shade Boo from My Glam Lit Lipstick. So yeah, this is the final look. I prefer the other lipstick shade because it was more subtle and more simple. So this looks a little bit brighter on your face. So if you like the shade, you can put this type of shades also. But I preferred the other lipstick shade. So this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you got some tips on how to do your no makeup look. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll show you the looks in the next clip. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also you can comment down below what type of looks you want next. That's it for this video. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.